In Lesson 5, we're looking at lines and planes in 3D. So first of all, if you recall, in 2 dimensions, the equation y equals 2x plus 1 represents a line. It would be a line with a slope of 2 and a y-intercept of 1. It would look something like this. To visualize it in 3 dimensions, picture laying this plane down flat so that the y-axis is going this way, the x-axis is coming out at you, and now you'll have a z-axis going straight up, as you see over here. So in 3 dimensions, since there is no z in this equation, z could be anything, this line actually becomes a plane. This equation, y equals 2x plus 1, is actually the equation of a plane in 3 dimensions. And it would be this plane you're seeing right here. In general, the equation of a plane can be written in a form like this. This would be a standard form for an equation of a plane. You have a constant times x plus a constant times y plus a constant times z equals another constant. Just like we had a standard form for the equation of a line in 2 dimensions, this was going to be a plane now in 3 dimensions. It's still called a linear equation because all of your powers of x, y, and z are 1. Example 1 here says find the intercepts of the plane 2x plus 3y plus 6z equals 6 and sketch its graph in the first octant. So your picture looking at the corner of a room again. This is the floor down here, has these corners with the walls, and then this is the corner going up the wall, between the walls rather. So finding the intercepts. Well, in order to find the x-intercept, where it crosses your x-axis, we have to figure out what's happening when y is 0 and z is 0. Because along your x-axis, both your y and your z are 0. So to find the x-intercept, set y to 0 and z to 0, so I'm kind of ignoring these right here, they've zeroed out. And I'm left with 2x equals 6, which would mean x equals 3. So I know that my x-intercept occurs at, it will be 3, 0, 0. That will be the coordinates of your x-intercept. So right about here is my x-intercept. And now, in order to determine the y-intercept, let me do that one in red. That would be where my x and z are both 0. So those are zeroed out. I'm left with 3y equals 6, which means y equals 2. So that tells me the y-intercept is going to be at 0, 2, 0. And then for the z, likewise, I set, do z in green here, I set x and y both to 0. They go away then. You've got 6z equals 6, so z equals 1. So my z-intercept occurs at 0,